Ma'am. So today, our group will discuss this topic, which is ang love and justice framework. So the love and justice framework emphasize balancing empathy and fairness when addressing social issue. It encourage acting with compassion and understanding muna siya ang love while ensuring fairness, equality, and protection of rights mo siya ang justice. This approach seeks to build supportive relationship. So Martin Luther King Jr. His philosophy of nonviolent resistance based on love and forgiveness is a prime example of love and justice framework. In action, he believed that justice could only be achieved through a transformation of heart and mind. So just for the additional information, many philosophers ang nag-argue that true love cannot exist without justice. So mga philosopher nga nag-argue sa love and justice, which is si Plato, Aristotle, o si Immanuel Kant. For Plato, in his work, Plato often connected love with wisdom and justice. So he argued that true love is a form of knowledge and that is lead to a just society. For Aristotle, also saw a connection between love and justice. So he emphasized the importance of friendship and community, which are essential for just society. Lastly, for Immanuel Kant, Kant argued that love and justice are both important moral principles. He believed that we have a duty to love others, but that this love should be tempered by reason and justice. So what is love? Ang love nakakategory into four, which is ang empathy, selflessness, acceptance, and also forgiveness. So what is love and empathy? Love is the ability to deeply understand and share the feelings of others, fostering a sense of connection and belonging. So, for selflessness, love is the willingness to put the need of others before our own, creating a foundation of trust and mutual care. For acceptance, love is the embrace of our own difference and celebration of our unique qualities, valuing each person for who they are. Lastly, ang forgiveness. Love is the power to let go of past hurt and to see humanity, those who have wronged us, allowing for healing and growth. So, what is justice? So, ang justice nakakategory sa 3, which is ang fairness, accountability, ug equity. Justice and fairness. Justice is the principle of ensuring that everyone is treated equally with no one receiving unfair advantage or disadvantage. Second is ang accountability. Justice is the process of holding individual and institution responsibly for their action, promoting transparency and ethical behavior. Lastly is ang equity. Justice is the recognition that people have different needs and circumstances, and the commitment for providing the support and resource necessary for everyone to thrive.
Can we have love without justice? Love and justice go hand in hand. True love requires fairness and respect, which are the cornerstone of justice. While love can exist in imperfect situation, a foundation of justice make it stronger and more lasting. Social justice situation. Imagine local community where monetary groups face systemic discrimination in education and employment opportunities. Advocacy group step in the raise awareness the inequalities and push for reform. They demand that school system become more inclusive by incorporating culturally relevant curricula and providing equal access to resources like tutoring and extracurricular activities. The framework of social justice in this content emphasizes fighting bias and advocating for policies that ensure equal opportunities for all, which embodies the principle of fairness and equality. Distributive justice situation. Consider a city that need to allocate funds for public infrastructure such as park, libraries, and healthcare center. Distributive justice would require that resources be allocated based on the needs of different neighborhoods. For example, low-income areas, which may have higher rates of illness and fewer recreational facilities, should receive more funding to improve healthcare access and develop safe public spaces. This ensures that every community member, regardless of socioeconomic status, has the opportunity to thrive, aligning with the justice principle of providing necessary support for everyone to achieve equality.
The intersection of love and justice. 1. Compassion. The fusion of love and justice creates a deep sense of empathy and a commitment to addressing the needs of others, even those who are different from us. Number 2. Dignity. By uploading the inherent worth and value of every individual, the intersection of love and justice promotes a culture of mutual respect and human dignity. Applying the framework's personal relationship. Self-awareness. Cultivating a deeper understanding of our own bias, values, and emotional needs as the foundation for building meaningful personal relationship. Communication. Practicing open, honest, and empathetic communication allows to address conflicts, set boundaries, and deepen our connection within loved ones. Compromise. Embracing the principle of fairness and equity, we can navigate the inevitable difference in our relationship and find mutually beneficial solution.
So, for applying the framework community relationship, first corporation, second inclusion, third is advocacy. So for corporation, fostering a spirit of collaboration and mutual support within our communities, we can work together to address, share, challenge, and create positive change. For inclusion, activity welcoming and valuing the diverse perspective and experiencing of all community members promote a sense of belonging and shared purpose. So advocacy, standing up for the right and need for marginalized individual and group, we can challenge systemic injustice and work toward a more equitable society.
Barriers to achieving love and justice. So bias and prejudice, unconscious biases and engage prejudice and hinder our ability to see and appreciate the humanity in others, admiring our efforts to create a more just inclusive world. Then sa imbalance is enchanted power structures and hierarchies can perpetuate unfair advantages and disadvantages, making a default to achieve true equality and
Overcoming challenges, strategies, and practices. Number 1. Self-reflection. Engaging in regular introspection to examine our own biases, beliefs, and behaviors is a crucial first step in addressing the barriers to love and justice. Number 2. Inclusive dialogue. Creating safe spaces for open and honest conversations where diverse perspectives are heard and respected can foster mutual understanding and trust. 3. Collective action. mobilizing our communities to challenge unjust systems and advocate for equitable policies can lead to meaningful and lasting change. Embracing love and justice. Cultivate empathy. By deepening our capacity for empathy and understanding, we can build stronger, more fulfilling relationships and create a more compassionate world. Embrace transformation. Embodying the principles of love and justice in our personal and community relationships, we can inspire positive change and create a better future for all. Champion equity. Advocating for fairness and equal opportunities for all, we can dismantle systemic barriers and work towards a more just and inclusive society. Putting it into practice. Reflect and assess. Take time to reflect on your own biases, values, and behaviors, and assess how you can apply the love and justice framework in your personal and community relationships. Engage and advocate. Actively participate in inclusive dialogues, support community initiatives, and advocate for policies and practices that promote equity and social justice. Inspire and empower. Share the principles of love and justice with others, and work together to create a more compassionate, just, and transformative world.
Okay, thank you for listening. No, that's all.